amazing. Can you see this? My new setup. Amazing light. Link description में दे दूँगा मैं आप लोगों को. So we can adjust the light brightness, the color mode. This is white blue, this is white yellow, and this is clear white. So I'm using white blue for this video. I just got a new one. This is locally manufactured video light. Yeah. So without any delay, let's start the video. So आज आपकी वीडियो में जो हम लोग देखने वाले वो है Mac, iPhone, iMac, I वो I ये I वो. So it's all about Apple. It's really all about Apple. What is currently running on macOS and what's going on in future. So without any delay, let's explore actually what's going on with Apple. So today I'm gonna show you macOS BigSur. If we talk about Indian accent, it's Big Sur. So as the name suggests, it's Big Sur. It's really a Big Sur. Yeah. So it's macOS 11, I guess. It's macOS 11, a brand new restructure of macOS. It's totally different from what we saw in the previous one, and it's just amazing. It's blow you up. It's blown away everything what you see earlier and what you see now. It's just a quite like in a beta mode, but I'm testing or I'm working on it right now without any issue. There are some drawbacks of this, but I'm sure they'll pretty much overcome with next update. But it's not a I would say not a negative, I guess. It's not a point taking away features. Like somehow some of the time I might need to force quit an application, but not most of the time. But yeah, it's not a big deal for you people, and things are quite like equal for what we saw macOS 10, and now it's totally a redefined of what we saw, and it's amazing. It's fluid, it's super fast, it's totally make your mind away. Like you will even if you're using MacBook Pro 2017 or 16, and if you install this macOS 11, it just make you love again on your Mac without going for a new MacBook. So I'm using MacBook Pro 2017 version A1708, and it's just amazing, really amazing. I will show you how, and let's have a look. So without any delay, I would like to take the picture up. So currently I'm on apple.com to let you know about all the features of macOS 11, and let's start. So it's macOS BigSur, and as we go up, it shows like quite interesting things. They changed the way we message. The message application is quite a chatting tool, and they changed the map also, and a totally new redefined Safari for you people, and there is a notification center as well, which you see live on my MacBook. And if we go next to that, there are some interesting things too, like the Apple Music and the Apple Photos. And if we go next, so there is a refresh dock too. So if you see here clearly, there are totally different icons on the MacBook dock, which you see live in couple of minutes. And there is a different notification center. If you see here, we can control the center from the main screen without opening the settings of MacBook. And as I told you earlier, there's a totally new Safari Storm, and I would say Safari browser. It's quite unique what we do on Chrome or newly introduced Microsoft Edge, but it's amazing. It's fast, it's super cool, it's privacy proof. Everything what you do on Safari, well, amazing. You might hear some kind of rainy things, because here we have a rain going on, thunderstorm and rain, so sorry for that. And there is a customizable start page too of the Safari. You can change the background, and you can have your favorites on the top of the MacBook Safari browser. And there are some extension too which you gonna look into. It's in beta mode, so it's in a beta stage actually, and things are quite making out of the way for the MacBook Pro, macOS 11. So extension are one of the things which are still in a beta stage, and they are on its way. And there is an improved tab design for Safari. So everything you're seeing here is just Safari. And as per them, the battery power efficiency is improved, and I would say after using macOS 11, it's really improved. And by up to 1 hour more browsing compared to so that's true. And there is a conversation starter on the new messaging chat, and you can pin down your conversation on the home screen, and you can share the group photos and so on. And here we go, the redesigned maps, better ways to find your way, and it's amazing. I will show you in a while, and it's totally different way. So people usually using Google Maps for finding their ways or reaching to some destinations, but right now they are having a totally different redefined maps with updated streets, like what we saw on the Google Maps. So you will get a better direction, and hope it will, because I did not test it yet to go on, but yeah, definitely I will see it on my Apple AirPlay on my car. And on the next, a redefined App Store, and there are some interesting features like edit in photos, which I already tested for creating a YouTube thumbnail, and airports automatic device switching, which obviously working fine. Listen now, there's a new home for Apple Music which is on its way. I'm already using it. Faster updates, yeah, it's okay. Deeper web knowledge for Siri, you can test it at your own after installing this. And for the developer who want to create apps for macOS 11, they can download the SDK from the links provided. Like if they are iOS developer, definitely they know from where to download the SDK, so they can create the applications, apps and all for the macOS 11 without any approval, or without any taking any certificate from the Apple. So this is also open now, the developers can join the Apple Beta software program for creating those stuff. They need to sign up for the same to get the license and with their Apple ID and so on. Yeah, so without getting into iOS, just be stuck with macOS 11. So here it is. So now let's take a look Unreal. So here's my screen, and let's see. So where to start? So let's start with Safari, and if I show you, so here's a totally redefined Safari, and here you can change the background, and like if you have something to choose from, so here you go, you can change the background of Safari browser like you do on the Chrome itself. And here are your favorites, which you can see here. And next I'll show you the message app. So here is the message app. It's totally new. You can use it as a chat. And on the next, if we talk about the launchpad, it's totally new. The icon, if you can see, the icons are totally new, and here are the list of all the icons. They are more fluid, more appealing, more crisp in picture. And the finder is same as it was before. And if we talk about the maps, so maps are always cool here, and there are the information like where you are, what type of map you want to see, like 3D default public transport satellite, and 3D as well. Like if you want to turn on 3D, the picture will get into 3D more. And if you want to see, like here you go, yeah. This is what it just change the equation of the map. And there is some other different things as well, like on the Apple Music. So there's a listen now on your home screen of the Apple Music, and you can check upon. So I hope it's working. It should work. Let's see if it works or not. Bum 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 bum. What happened? Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. So it's working, but why I'm not seeing my home page? What happened? Is my internet connected or not? Yeah, it's in there. So here we go. So here it took a while to load all the information for the user. So you can see here topics and all, recently and so on. And on to the preferences, we have quite a different view of everything. Like if you want to manage things like if I talk about particularly in relate of, like you just change the dock setting. Yeah, so one of the quite interesting feature which I really like is the stacks. So when you turn off this tag, your related data will be here, and if you just use stacks, the old related type of the objects or files will get into one. Like if there are MP4 files, like if you have 10 MP4 files, they will just kind of create a folder and get into one. And if there are 5 images and 4 MP4, accordingly they will stack themselves. Like if I click on here, and if I click here, yeah. And here's the notification center. If you want to change the brightness of your display, you can change it here, which I already talked about in my previous videos like how Apple is gonna change things without putting stuff or going to the settings of MacBook. So you can choose it here and change the setting here. You can manage your sound as well here, and here you go, night off, night on. There are little flary offers here, and you have Bluetooth settings, AirPlay display, keyboard brightness here as well, or you can off it or on it or change it whatever you want. And if you want to click on keyboard preferences, it will take you to the keyboard settings for everything. Thanks for watching my video, and I'm grateful to allow me to present something which I have or which I can to you people. Hope you will come again and like my videos. So please keep supporting me and allow me some time to make things more better, more adventurous for you people. Thanks for watching. This is your host Tarun Yadav. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Bye.